Mobile pet grooming always seemed to intrigue me, and I wasn't sure that I wanted to do it. It was like, I don't know, do you want to be out in the weather and all that stuff? But once the decision was kind of made for me, when I no longer wanted to stay at the shop I was at, I decided mobile was the thing to look at, and I am so happy I did.
I average about 15 new calls a week. Unfortunately, I can't get to all of them. I have a waiting list for my waiting list, but it is still growing. I might even have to add another mobile. I love being in my truck. Every day I look forward to going to work because I love being mobile.
Mobile grooming came out in 1975, and I thought, well, this is just too good. I don't have to start a storefront in every part of town. I can go to every part of town out of one central location, and I knew that my clients would love it. I just knew they would. I knew they would love the convenience, the one-on-one, service to their pet. I knew they'd love it, and they did.
If you're wondering whether the pet service industry is a viable career for entry-level or experienced groomers, recent figures show that the pet service industry is a $62 billion arena, growing dramatically each year. With over 100 million pets needing grooming in the U.S. alone, there's little doubt that those who cater to canines are enjoying a significant share of the market. So the question isn't, can money be made catering to canines, but how can the shrewd entrepreneur access a greater share of this market?
Salon to mobile prices differ in the respect that in the area that I'm in, I can charge 3 to 4 times what I charge in the shop mobile. And even though it's higher, people really have no qualms about paying it. Most of my clients care about their dogs first.
Whether you're an accomplished pet groomer or just starting out, a mobile grooming business that allows you to decrease overhead, increase income, and balance business and home life demands is worth exploring. Wag'n Tail's mobile conversions make it possible to accomplish your personal business goals by working smarter, not harder. How's that possible? By avoiding the rising costs of owning or renting a storefront, especially in a prime location. Minimizing the cost of utilities, insurance, and property taxes, groomers can lighten their financial burden. You also control your own business and branding because Wag'n Tails is not a franchise. There are no franchise contracts or fees, and there are no royalty fees. And best of all, you control your schedule.
It is a fully mobile salon. This truck has everything on it, everything you would want. Air conditioning, I carry 100 gallons of water. I have a disposal tank that holds that 100 gallons of water if I choose to use it. I have a refrigerator, I have a microwave. I have everything on there that I need to keep me going for the day. It's just wonderful.
A growing number of pet parents today have more money than time. Many people will pay more for the convenience of your mobile service, allowing you, with moderate effort, to earn well over $100,000 a year. Averaging only 6 dogs per day at $95 per dog and working only 5 days per week, you will be generating $12,540 per month or $150,480 annually. Subtract your overhead, and your gross profit would be $9,395 per month or $112,740 per year, plus your tips. Wag'n Tails has developed a marketing and business support program that's designed for your success. With over 20 years of experience helping develop successful mobile grooming businesses, Wag'n Tails will also work with you to make it hard to fail. There's no one-size-fits-all. Wag'n Tails offers a wide range of mobile units, featuring a wide variety of options. Spacious storage areas, grooming tools, a range of interior design themes, ergonomically designed workspaces, environmental control choices, and even entertainment systems. Our in-house marketing department will help you customize your unit with your own logo and graphics. Wag'n Tails works hard to help you design and create just the right unit to meet your needs and your budget. Maximize your fuel economy and lower your operating costs with our most popular unit, the Wag'n Tails Ultra Groom van. The Ultra Groom is compact enough for a single groomer, but won't ever make you feel boxed in. To make your job easier, the Ultra Groom has an innovative slide-out tool storage cabinet, a smart table that rotates 180 degrees, LED lighting, and spacious enclosed cabinets for secure storage. It's everything you need to hit the ground running. The Dynagroom van is the most versatile grooming salon on wheels. Dynagroom is one of our most popular units available. It offers the option of adding a second groom station, LED lighting, spacious enclosed storage cabinets, and charging stations for phones and computers, all designed with your grooming day in mind. And the Dynagroom has great fuel economy, using a Ford EcoBoost engine and the new EFI electronic fuel-injected generator as a standard feature. It's also available in diesel. If you're looking to maximize your fuel economy without sacrificing power and productivity, the Wag'n Tails Endurance Sprinter is the mobile pet grooming van for you. The Endurance Sprinter is hands down the most fuel-efficient choice on the market today. It offers a diesel Mercedes engine along with a diesel liquid-cooled Onan generator. The Endurance Sprinter also provides plenty of enclosed storage cabinets for equipment and supplies, LED lighting, and the ability to add an optional second groom station. Wag'n Tails Pet Stylist Elite is our largest and our most spacious model. It is truly a grooming salon on wheels. The Pet Stylist Elite features LED lighting, large storage cabinets, a fully enclosed bathroom, a refrigerator, and a microwave. 2 workstations are provided, and the groomer can move completely around the table. The Pet Stylist Elite is designed to make your workday efficient and enjoyable. Wag'n Tails' most affordable unit is its pull-behind trailer conversion. This spacious unit allows for flexible design, ample storage space, and a wide variety of features to maximize convenience. Additionally, the trailer conversion can easily be parked to serve as a semi-permanent salon. Regardless of the conversion you choose, every mobile unit is built by Wag'n Tails' own state-of-the-art production facility by experienced craftsmen, using the highest quality materials and parts. We strive to deliver a quick turnaround of your unit, usually within 4 to 6 weeks of your order. But efficient turnaround doesn't mean we compromise on quality. Every unit is thoroughly inspected before delivery by a trained quality control technician. Wag'n Tails is the only mobile pet grooming vehicle registered with the National Highway and Traffic Safety Administration. Visit our showroom to experience for yourself the design, construction, and quality of each of our mobile units. And there's no need to worry about service after the sale.
It's Jamie calling. How can I help you guys?
Wag'n Tails provides service that only a family business with thousands of hours and experience in this field can provide.
You're very welcome. If you need any more help, you give me a shout back, okay?
Wag'n Tails did everything. Everything. They did everything from helping me pick my graphics to financing.
It's important to remember that Wag'n Tails business is to help your business grow. That's why, in addition to extensive business and advertising support, Wag'n Tails offers a variety of financing options to fit your budget, along with low down payments, rebates, and attractive interest rates. Your career, your decision, your future. Invest in your own Wag'n Tails mobile conversion and drive with us into the future of pet grooming.